Good morning, dear students. Today we will begin our new chapter, chapter number 9, pollution. Dear students, in this chapter we will discuss about the pollution, what is pollution, how many types of pollution, and many much more things is here like causes of air pollution, how can pollution can be reduced, effects of pollution, steps to control pollution. All that thing we will discuss in this chapter. Because of that pollution contaminate our environment, so we have to know about that thing, how can we can control, and all that thing we will discuss in this chapter. Let's begin chapter number 9, pollution. Dear students, please open page number 54. Pollution is the contamination of the environment by the discharge of harmful substance into the air, water or soil. Dear students, we can say that whenever contamination of environment is started by the discharge of harmful substances. Harmful substances means we can say like that whatever you can throw out in our environment, if they may be harmful for our water, soil or like air, then that may be known as the pollutants and that may be create pollution for our environment. If we talk about the types of pollution, then we can say that pollution is about 4 types: air pollution and water pollution, soil pollution and noise pollution. Dear students, we can say like that when air going to be polluted, then that pollution is known as air pollution. When water is going to be polluted, then we can say that water pollution. And when soil is going to be polluted, then we can say that soil pollution. When noise is going to be polluted, then we can say that noise pollution. Dear students, in the details we will study in this chapter. Now we will talk about the pollution's definition. What is the pollution? Pollution is the contamination of the environment. Pollution of the contamination of the environment by the means by what? Discharge of harmful substances into the air, water or soil. Whenever you are going to discharge harmful substances into air, water or soil, then our environment is going to be polluted. And the substances that cause pollution are called pollutants, means whichever substance that are, we can say that pollute our environment, that are known as pollutants. By destroying the environment, we are damaging our own future, because we know that we have to live here only, in this environment only. If we contaminate this type of environment, then how can we survive on that place? In this chapter we will study about different types of pollution, their effects and the method to keep check on pollution. Dear students, types of pollution, there are mainly 4 types of pollutions are there already in your textbook, that's mentioned: air pollution, soil pollution, water pollution and noise pollution. Dear students, at first we will talk about the air pollution, how air pollution is going to be happen, or how can we can reduce or control that air pollution. Dear students, the contamination of air with harmful gases. When harmful gases is going to be enter in our atmosphere or in our environment, then we can say that that's air pollution. And definition is here: the contamination of air with harmful gases, suspended particles and other harmful substances termed as air pollution. Now we will talk about causes of air pollution, how air pollution is going to be produced. Then we can say that first point is here: most of the motor vehicles run on petrol or diesel. We know that mostly motor vehicles are run on petrol and diesel only. On burning of petrol and diesel, harmful gases like carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide and sulfur dioxide are released into air. These gases pollute the air. That type of gases whichever produced by the burning of petrol and diesel, that's pollute our environment too much. Industries release harmful smoke and gases in the air and the contain poisonous chemicals. We know that many type of industries are there because of human demand. So many type of industries is going to be started, and because of that industries, many type of harmful smoke or gases are also released into our environment, and because of that our air is going to be polluted. Third point is here: forest fires, volcanic eruption, sandstorm are some of the natural ways in which air gets polluted. Burning of firecrackers also harms the environment. After that we will talk about effects of air pollution. What is the effect of air pollution in our environment for us also? Air pollution causes serious health problems like asthma, bronchitis, irritation in eyes, headache and skin allergy. Many type of new diseases can to generate because of the air pollution, and man and most problem is here asthma and bronchitis. Because of that your respiration system is going to be damaged finally, and after that you are unable to unable to respirate, and on that time you have to face many type of problems. Air pollution is a major cause for the acid rain. Dear students, we know that whenever air is going to be polluted, that air is in our environment only. Whenever rain is came down, then they have to pass through that air only. And whenever that water droplets passes with that type of polluted air, then that water droplet change into acids because of the contaminated, because of the harmful gases and substances. Such type of rain causes extensive damage of water, forest, soil resources, and even human health. Many type of damages we can watch because of the acid rain. Third point is here, when the heat of the sun can't escape the environment, the temperature of the earth is also increases. We know that now also earth's temperature is going to increasing day by day. This is called greenhouse effect. When temperature of the earth is going to increase, that is known as greenhouse effect. In the long run it leads to global warming. Whenever greenhouse effect is continuously running at a proper place, that is known as global warming, and because of that the earth is changing that climatic condition also. Fourth one, the pollutants in the air also have bad effect on monuments and buildings, especially those made with marble. You can watch the Taj Mahal also. On that time, whenever that was built, on that time that was properly in white color, but now because of the pollution, that color is going to be harnessed. It changed into yellowish marble. They change the color of the marble. After that, step to control air pollution. How can you control air pollution? First, filters should be installed in industry to control pollution. They have to use filters from that place. Whenever they are releasing any gases or harmful substances, on that place you have to use filters. Second, people should use smokeless chulhas, solar cookers, biogas in rural areas, reduce smoke caused due to burning of firewood. Whenever you are burning firewood, then also too much pollution is going to be there because of the smoke is came to there in environment, and many type of harmful gases also represent on that time. Third one, the use of electric petrol, diesel and CNG gas reduce the emission of the harmful gases in the environment. Fourth one, emission from vehicles can also be reduced by properly maintaining them. If you are using any type of vehicle like car, motorbike or scooty or whatever, then you have to emission the vehicle properly on time. You have to check that UC or something like that, pollution under control. You have to check time to time properly. If that's a produce too much pollutants, then you have to check and properly repair that vehicle. Last one is reforestation also helps in reducing air pollution. If you are, it is the better way, it is the superb and better way, reforestation. If you are planting more and more trees, then you can restore or you can reduce the air pollution. All that thing is not in your hand, all that 4 points is not your hand. Because of that sometimes you can make that place or otherwise not, but reforestation is in your hand, you can do that. It is a process of restoring the forest that once existed but were cleared at some point of time in the past. And because of reforestation, you can not only reduce air pollution, you can reduce water pollution also, soil pollution also, and noise pollution also. So we can say that reforestation is a better way to reduce all types of pollution. Dear students, in this chapter we discussed about pollution. What is the pollution? Then once again I am going to revise the definition. Contamination of environment by the discharge or harmful substances, and that type of harmful substances are known as pollutants because they create pollution. Types of pollution, 4 types of pollution are there: air pollution, water pollution, soil pollution, and noise pollution. We studied about air pollution, how air pollution is being there because of the suspended air particle or gases in the air, that air pollution came to start, and because of that many type of harmful effects also we can see in our health or in our environment also, like global warming or greenhouse effect and bronchitis and asthma and many type of diseases also in human. You can reduce them by many type of using many type of steps. You have to follow many types of steps, 4 to 5 types of steps are there. You have to follow these steps and you can reduce the air pollution. Dear students, in next class we will discuss about water pollution, cause of water pollution, effects of water pollution, steps to control water pollution, and soil pollution, causes of soil pollution, effects of soil pollution, steps to control soil pollution and noise pollution. All that thing we will discuss in our next class. Thank you.